Okay, team, in this video, we're going to talk about what has just came in. And I tell you what, the results are just absolutely staggering. We're going to get through this here real quick on the other side. And let me roll this real quick. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I could not be more excited about what we have just got out the mail. Great things are happening, and we want to invite you to come along for the ride. Folks, let me tell you, before I get started, I want to invite you. I got some great things that I'm going to go over. I want to invite you to come look at the YouTube channel. We got some amazing things going on, absolutely exploding. Like the video, I would really appreciate it. Help rank the video higher for me, and that would help me out a lot. Consider subscribing to the channel. The channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. But let me tell you what, folks. If you're not in the home-based business, guys, you're cutting yourself short. Great things are happening. I'm nothing special. I want to begin by saying thank you to all the people that partner with me in these programs and continue to be life-changing for me and my family and those that are partnering with us. The journey to win, to financial freedom is amazing. Creating hundreds a day, thousands a week. Income disclaimer, folks, nothing in life's going to happen for us until we take action, or for you, until you take action, do a lot of it. And it's not about you, not about me, not about trying to impress anybody, but taking decisive action on a daily basis is incredible. Or every other day, or whenever you get a chance, guys, it's incredible. Work on your own terms, live life on your own terms, go where you want to go, do what you want to do, let the universe guide you. Folks, this is exciting times. And working home has never been this good. People are looking daily, around the clock. Folks, think about it. The commercials on the TV, you got to be always advertising. We TV 24/7. There are advertisements. There are commercials on the radio. There's commercials. You have to have advertising going on for you in the background 24 hours a day. What we have created programs of leverage. That is just literally building leverage wealth unlike I've ever seen in my life. Folks, when you understand leverage, Mike Schomer talks about leverage. Once you set systems in place, folks, money can come to you from the north, east, south, west, everywhere. It's astounding to see what leverage can do for you. And setting things in place, set and forget. And I like simple systems. Guys, I'm involved in several opportunities. No mistake about it. And I like all kinds of, I like affiliate marketing, I like Forex trading, I like Bitcoin, I like arbitrage, I like all these things. Some of my favorites is affiliate marketing. Some of my favorites is flyer programs, postcard programs, because anybody can do them. Young, old, millennium, makes no difference. Black, white, big, small, tall. No matter. There's no certain person that can do this. Anybody can do it. Today, guys, let me get into the video. The 200 cash daily flyer. It's incredible. Folks, I'm going to show you, run around and show you how this thing works real quick. I'm going to get into some proof videos. And let me show you what. Guys, this is incredible. This is happening on a daily basis. I want you to come along for the ride. The 200 cash daily pays out $200 per sign up. $200 per sign up for everybody that comes into this program. Folks, stop living paycheck to paycheck. Start having thousands of dollars delivered to you on a daily basis. We can get paid together. This is the way MLM is supposed to be. Folks, when you get a sign up, look at this, 600 monthly commission paid directly to you. It's possible. And start receiving your personal ATM machine, cash delivered to you all the time. Again, folks, thank you for partnering with me in these programs and having enough confidence in me. Those of you are coming into Leverage Profit System, the Crazy Cash program, M80, all these other programs, the supplement grid. Thank you. I really appreciate it. How this program works, guys. Let me talk about the product also. The product's going to be a marketing kit, premium leads, unlimited support. And we're going to take all the phone calls for you. You're going to get unlimited support. You're going to get premium leads. You're going to get a marketing kit, and the marketing kit's going to report how to make $1,000 a week in mail order. This is incredible. When you sign up, your name's going to fall in position number one. You're going to receive a $200 payment. Now, when you sign up a member, guys, you can go to number 2. You're going to start receiving $200 overrides. Folks, this is staggering. The leverage, it's just amazing of what can happen for you and your family. Guys, can you imagine go out and recruit 4, 5, 6 people? 4, 5, 6 people, and then they start mailing their flyers, and you're in number 2 on their flyer. Guys, this is what leverage wealth is about. And that's how we're picking up multiple payments, multiple times a day in these programs, down through 3 levels. Folks, you never drop off your personal flyers down through 3 levels forever. You can literally be on hundreds of flyers in a short amount of time. So in order to join, guys, you send $200 each person, and then $100 to the TNCL marketing as proof. And so it's $700 to get started. Fill out your name, print legibly, guys, if you possibly can. Your name, your address, city, phone number. Everybody, your phone number is required, and we'll get you off to the races. So, and you got the option. You can put your phone number on the flyer or not. Totally up to you. And that's how that thing works. Let me turn this thing over real quick. I'm getting to the proof, guys. Look at what Larry's doing over there at All American Print in Virginia. Larry has created, guys, a done-for-you mailing service for this flyer. He's that excited. If he is on this flyer, which Larry is on this copy, let me see. Larry's on number 3. As long as he is on this copy, what he will do, look at what Larry's testimony. One Saturday morning, a few weeks ago, I opened my mail, my delight, 2 other people joined. Wait a minute. When I received this flyer, I liked it and I decided to join. I mailed out 1,000 copies as a test. And the first month, I got back 6 orders. I wasn't really excited about that, but I thought to myself, these 6 people who signed up, 6 recruit down through 3 levels, this would be very profitable. One Saturday morning, weeks later to his delight, 2 other people joined, totaling $400 from his mailing. Now I'm excited. As an added bonus, I also received 5 orders from printing and mailing the 200 casts daily with my name on it. So, guys, this is incredible. He got an idea. Why not mail out for others at a reduced rate? What Larry has decided to do, guys, he will print and mail 4,000 of your copies of this flyer. Print and mail 16,000 for $3.99. He will do 4,000 copies for $99. That's incredible, guys. He will print and mail 40,000 for $749. He'll go all the way up 80,000 copies. Folks, can you say a license to print money? Folks, that's 80% savings. Let's win. Let's win today. Let's get into this stuff here, guys. Let me open up. Guys, for the sake of the video, give me just a few more minutes. I want to welcome okay, there's $100 bill. Let's welcome Ron to the program. Welcome, Ron. We will get your marketing kit in the mail ASAP. Hang on, guys. Here is Jack. Welcome, Jack, to the program. And what we got? Jack sent in his $100 payment. Welcome, Jack. And here is Ann. Welcome, Ann, to the program. Let's get this thing open up here real quick, guys. Okay, got something balled up in here. Hang on a second, guys. All right, here, Ann, welcome to the program. Ann put in 2 $50 bills and a $100 bill. Welcome, Ann, to the program. And hang on a second, guys. I'm going to save the other proof for tomorrow's video or the next day. And we've got another payment here. This is, all right, Sally. Sally is joining also at the $200 level. at the $200 level. Folks, I tell you what, this is just what an incredible day in these programs. I'm telling you, just a load of checks, money orders. It's just incredible. I got, guys, again, I'm going to save these for next day's video, and we'll go from there. Great things are happening, folks. Get a hold of me. Let's start changing our lives one day at a time, and go after it. In the kitchen, guys, I've got 700 pieces of mail ready to go down to my local postal box to be dropped off. Folks, can you do this? Set and forget. And way I like to do this, guys, folks, we do this maybe 2-3 hours a day, and then the rest of the day of ours is ours. Go to Walmart. You can go to Chick-fil-A. Go to Lowe's, Home Depot. Stay all day. Stay all evening. Go to wherever life takes you. That's what it's all about. Financial freedom. Live a life on your terms. And don't have to set and forget. Not worried about what tomorrow the stock market's going to do. I'm not going to be worried about what Bitcoin's going to do tomorrow. But I've got set and forget and leverage wealth systems, and they're building without my involvement. Once I get them in place, the teams are building in these programs like crazy. So it's very exciting, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. The 200 cash daily, as you can see, verifiable proof, is just another program. Don't get me wrong. If it's on the YouTube channel, guys, it's working. This is yet another stream of income that you simply can implement. We've got the resources. We've got the product. We've got the right mailing labels. Folks, a big shout out to Wilson's List. Big shout out to Wilson's List. A big shout out to Mountain Marketing. You get access to all of our proven resources to help you win. Okay, folks, give this video a big thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Bye for now. Until the next video.